Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 30% gain in AMZN within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of AMZN. In this play, I've seen an overextended price movement in AMZN, and thus, I've placed a short-term credit spread with expectation for the price not to move any further to the upside. Entry is on 20th March with exit on 23rd March. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade. There's entry price of $1.30 credit and exit price of 90 cents. Understanding the overstretched price in certain stocks creates the success in this trade. A nice 30% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 20th March with exit on 23rd March. Entry price is $1.30 credit with exit price of 90 cents. This trade has achieved a 30% gain within 3 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.